Hey guys, Jonathan Feist here for Drone Rush. We're still on the show floor, CES 2020. Today we're heading over to Fluidity. We want to see what's new with the FT Aviator and see what else they might have going on.
Great to see you. My name is Scott Parazynski, founder and CEO of Fluidity Technologies, back here at CES, one of the best times of the year. We love being here. Last year we released our first product, the FT Aviator. We have a lot of product out on the market. We've gotten a lot of wonderful feedback from our first customers, and we've enhanced our firmware as well as our app in the ensuing months. We have updated to the new SDK with DJI, so we can support the vast majority of the DJI fleet. We have smoothed out the responsiveness curves for the joystick based on feedback from our customers. We've integrated air data, and then we also have responded to some bugs that we found in the field. We had one that was quite an annoyance to some of our early customers. The Mavic Pro had an EMI, electromagnetic interference nuisance alarm. We've kind of gotten rid of that as well. So lots of progress with our hardware as well as our software, and we're looking forward to some big surprises for CES next year as well. We're actually supporting a lot of different types of drone pilots, from the weekend warrior who goes out to shoot their kid's soccer game, to the professional cinematographer, to the fire and rescue operator. So all these communities have unique needs, and we're trying to whittle those requests down in the most efficient way that we possibly can. But DJI continues to innovate. We're continuing to innovate alongside them. We're also looking to support other types of drones in the future. So potentially Parrot and Pixhawk and other types of integrations in the future. Not only will we be powering drones, but think about human-rated drones. Electric vertical takeoff and land vehicles are essentially flying cars. Yeah, I showed you, didn't I? The flying car?
The flying car?
I didn't show this to you? Oh man, check this out. We're actually partnering with a company in the Philippines called Star 8 to actually be the flight controller of choice to fly yourself to work. Imagine being above the fray and being able to zip across traffic to get to work in 5 minutes instead of an hour and a half in gridlock. We also have some incredible opportunities in the medical space to control assets inside the human body that we're working on, some DoD things potentially in the future, some governmental support. So all sorts of really great things leveraging our control systems. Yes, our product is currently available on our website for $350. Fluidity.tech is the URL. Soon we'll be on Amazon, and we hope to be in other channel partners as well, like B&H and others. Great to be with you, and I look forward to seeing you here next year.
Okay, so a joystick system to fly a DJI drone, converting it to so much more. I guess that's the kind of connections you can make when you're an astronaut. Thank you so much, Scott. Always big fans of what you guys are doing at Fluidity, and always big fans of hearing what you guys have on the go. If you guys are liking what you're seeing here, we always appreciate that thumbs up. And if you're subscribing, why don't you hit that bell icon to make sure you see what comes next. A little bit more coming from the show floor of CES 2020. Thanks again all. Fly safe.